Hello from Memphis International Airport, Atlanta Airport, Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.
Thank you and enjoy your flight.
This first flight is operated by Delta. I'm here on a code share with Air France and it departs at 5 p.m, currently 1 p.m. I've got 4 hours to wait, but that's the only flight out of here today that will connect with my ongoing flight to Paris Charles de Gaulle. I can't imagine that Memphis to Detroit is a particularly busy route, but let's see what happens. See you the other side of security. After security, Memphis International looks like a nice small airport, very clean, very fresh. This area in the centre of the concourse is known as the Rotunda for very obvious reasons, and it has a Starbucks where I'm definitely not getting a caramel frappuccino, no whip, with extra caramel. We've just had a notification from Delta saying that the outbound flight to Detroit is delayed by about half an hour. I've got a pretty tight turnaround time for my second flight. Let's keep our fingers crossed I make it. A quick update from here in Memphis. We're now officially delayed 50 minutes, leaving a total of 25 minutes to get off this flight, transfer in the terminal, and get on board a flight that's leaving just 25 minutes later, an international flight. I'm going to go to the Delta Sky Lounge to see if there's somebody there that I could talk to. There doesn't seem to be any other Delta desk. That's airside. Let's give that a go and see if they can reroute me. Yvonne and Brenda, absolutely pulled out every stop to get me rerouted via Atlanta to Paris. I get into Paris a couple of hours later, but I'm still able to make a connection on to Bordeaux. I got upgraded on the way out to first, so I'm in the lounge enjoying a gin and tonic and a snack. Can't believe it. Well, the team in the Delta Sky Club were just fantastic. They completely rerouted me. They navigated the vagaries of the Delta rebooking system. The ticket that they got me is in first class over to Atlanta. I know it's only a 45-minute hop, but I'm just delighted about that. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous.
Folks from a flight deck like that are welcome aboard our flight to Atlanta. Be pushing back here just pretty soon, just a few minutes, and then 1 hour and 5 minutes to Atlanta. A little bit of a little longer than it normally would. There's some weather between here and Atlanta, so we're actually going to go down south of it to a little bit better ride and get us into Atlanta. Should still be there pretty close to our scheduled arrival time. Once again, glad to have you with us today.
Okay, we come into B, I need to get to F, so that means a train and a bit of a schlep. And we're 45 minutes late getting in, so let's hope I can make it onto the Paris flight after all of that. I think we're going to make it. Made it with a little time to spare to the F concourse. I can't imagine they're going to board for a while, so it gives me time to get refreshed, and get ready for a 9-hour flight over to Paris.
Thank you and enjoy your flight.
So this is a revised leg 2 of the trip, heading to Paris Charles de Gaulle, and now I'm travelling on board an A350, but even I'm unclear whether this is strictly an Air France flight or a Delta flight that's been run on a code share basis. That's something we're going to discover together at the gate. I'm in 36G, which is the second row in coach, sadly.
We're so glad to see you, and it's our pleasure to take care of you today.
I should add that my friends in Memphis allowed me to be able to go through on Sky Priority, so I'm hopeful I'm going to be able to board early, which is good.
Once we're underway, flight time's a short 8 hours this evening. My name's Jana. I'm your purser on our flight. We should be underway shortly. Thank you.
This is way tighter than the Air France A350. Not much legroom in comparison. The distance from here to here is pretty tight, and if this seat goes back, it's going to be very tight. I'm getting the toilet review done early before we even leave and before it gets dirty.
Encore une fois, durée ce vol 7h52 minutes, bienvenue à bord.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Paris, France, where the local time is approximately 12:15 p.m.
It all seems a bit messy here at International Transfers. I'm making my way to Terminal 2F.
Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Sadly, my day does not take me into the salon or the lounge for Air France, but directly to my third flight to Bordeaux. I have to say it's no bother boarding with Air France. It's all organised by zone. I was zone 3, straight through very quickly. I am tired though. Flight 3 of 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall be leaving shortly. Please fasten and adjust your seatbelts.
So flight 3 of 3 is done. Thank you so much for joining me for this episode of Planet Patrick. I didn't film very much on that final report because you've seen me on an Air France A321 once before on the same route. I do like that Air France has a small service aboard. A little drink and a snack is very helpful, keeps you going, but it was quite bumpy on the approach into Bordeaux. Never mind, I'm back safely. That's the end of this trip. Thanks for being here for this episode. I hope you'll join me again in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.